So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can fix Redmi volume issue. Now when I say volume issue, what I mean is that if you're using a Redmi device or maybe a MI or a Poco, sometimes what will happen is that you would be keeping the volume totally up and you will see that the volume goes down by default. Even without you doing anything, the volume will automatically fall. Now this is happening a lot with the MIUI updates and this can be very frustrating. Well, if you are facing this, there can be a software glitch or maybe a real hardware issue where the volume circuit button is damaged. Well, if it's a software glitch, we can look at some troubleshooting measures and let's look at how this can be fixed easily. Swipe from the top, tap on the mobile settings. Now here, scroll down until you see apps, head towards apps. Now there will be like different options here. Tap on manage apps. Then you need to search for system launcher. So if you're using like a Redmi, then you will search for the system launcher. Otherwise, like if you're using a Poco, you will have a Poco launcher or something like that. Now tap on the system launcher. At the bottom, you will see there is something called as clear data. Tap on clear data. And here you don't really need to clear all data. Simply clear the cache and tap on OK. Now once you do this, once the cache is cleaned, hopefully now when you go ahead and increase the volume, it will not fall down by default. Most users have actually said that this step itself will fix their issue. In case it still doesn't, what you can do is again head towards the settings, go to the exact same place, head towards manage apps and search for the system launcher. So once you inside the system launcher, tap on this uninstall updates. So all updates to the Android system will be uninstalled. Don't worry, nothing gets deleted as such. So with the system updates gone, now go ahead and you will see it's all perfect at this point. If you have the option for clear data, you can go ahead and do that as well. But mostly you don't really need that. I mean, at this point of time, if you simply go ahead and use the volume up, it should stay there. It should not fall down. Now, these things should work. If it's not working, what few people have done is hold the volume up button a little, a little firmly, maybe 3 times the pressure which you would normally apply, and just hold it on for say 15 odd seconds. Now, typically this should work for Poco users more, even sometimes for Redmi users. So go ahead and do this. Just hold on to the state for say 15 to 20 odd seconds and then simply release this and hopefully this will not fall back. So this is another one of the methods. If this fails, hold both volume up and volume down button for a period of say 20 odd seconds. Just hold on to this say for 20 odd seconds and then again use the volume up button, hold on to this state for a few seconds and then check whether this works. Again, these are all tried and tested methods. Now, if all of this are failing, as a last resort, what you can do is simply take a earphone, put it in this earphone jack. So once it's there, simply rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Don't keep doing this a lot. I mean, maybe just 2-3 times and then take it out and then try again, holding the volume up thing and say for a period of 15 to 20 odd seconds. Now, it's also advisable that at this point of time, simply go ahead and reboot the phone. So what will happen is once the phone is reboot, sometimes all the settings that you have done, especially clearing the cache and all those things, take effect and the phone works much better once it's been rebooted. So once the phone has restarted, you can check all your things should be working perfectly fine. So guys, I mean, these are few methods. I mean, even if it's still not working, maybe you need to head towards the store. They will simply check up with the hardware. They will see whether the volume circuit button inside is damaged or not. If it's actually damaged, then they may take some a few bucks and get it repaired. But that's the last resort. Most of the time, simply heading towards the system launcher and clearing the cache should solve all your issues, or mostly holding the volume up button, say for a period of 15 to 20 seconds, and that should be it. So if this all helps and if your Redmi volume issue is fixed, kindly subscribe to the channel and please do share this with your friends and family. I really think this should help many people who are struggling with this issue. And I mean, that should be all for tonight. So that's it, guys. If you like it, please do leave your comments. Please do share this on social media. And until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.